Hi everyone, my name is Matt Poor. I'm the Graduate Assistant for the Morgantown Area Partnership. Today I'm going to show you our Site Selector tool on our website. On our website there are 4 tabs at the top of the page. To access the Site Selector tool, go to the Economic Development tab and then you click on the green Property Search Analysis button. This button will lead you to this page, which shows you all the properties that we have currently up on our website. Currently, there are 17 properties on our website. There is a filter button right here. You can click on this button and it will show you different addresses, dates added, maximum size, square footage, state, location, everything that you could want to know about a certain property. A disclaimer with the Site Selector tool. When you click on the website, you'll see all types. The Site Selector tool is only for industrial and commercial use only. Let's take a look at the deck that Hardy World recently uploaded. Now with the Site Selector tool, you can put in pictures of your property, description, property details, availability, building details, owner contact information, and then on the right side of the Site Selector tool will be a geological and satellite version of the map itself. Along with this will be other tabs that show occupation data, demographics, labor force, consumer expenditure, wages, businesses, etc. Every detail that you would want to see within reach of your property itself. When you want to add a property, all you have to do is go to the top right of the page, sign in to your account, and then it will bring you to this page. This is your activity dashboard. It shows you which properties you have in queue to be added, which properties are active, and then which properties are inactive. Let's take a look at a property I recently have activated. Now this property is our Hartman Run Road site pad. As you can see, I have pictures of the layout of the site pad. On the right side, there is a satellite view of the pad, and then we have a description of the 13-acre site. The Site Selector tool is a good tool for any property owners in the Morgantown area, members of the partnership or non-members of the partnership, to upload properties that they own and properties that they want to advertise.